Hello everyone. Question number 27 is very interesting because when we talk about time and work in our schools, what we teach is that suppose here we take one man can complete a work in X days. So the efficiency of a man, or we can say 1 day work of a man will be 1 upon X. Same way, suppose one woman can complete a work in Y days. So the efficiency of a women, or we can say the women can complete in 1 day, that is 1 upon Y of the work. So when it is given 2 men and 5 women can do a piece of work in 4 days, that means 2 upon X. Because 1 man efficiency is 1 upon X, so 2 men efficiency will come out to be 2 upon X plus 5 women means 5 upon Y is equals to 1 upon 4. Because now when we are taking efficiency on the left hand side, on the right hand side also we should take the efficiency. The second equation will be from this part where 1 man and 1 woman can complete a work in 12 days, that is 1 upon X plus 1 upon Y is equals to 1 upon 12. Now, these are two linear equations in two variables and we have to solve them. Here we can take 1 upon X as V and 1 upon Y as U. So, when we put the value of 1 upon X as V and 1 upon Y as U, so the first equation becomes 2V plus 5U is equals to 1 upon 4. And the second equation becomes V plus U is equals to 1 upon 12. When we multiply the second equation by 2 so that the coefficient of V becomes equal, so it becomes multiplied by 2, so it becomes 2V plus 2U is equals to, when this is 2 upon 12 can be written as 1 upon 6. We subtract the two equations, this will be cancelled out, here it becomes 3U is equals to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. Once we take the LCM as 12, it is 3 minus 2 which is equals to 3U, and the value of 3U comes out to be 1 upon 12. Now, as we know the value of U is nothing but 1 upon Y, we can put it here, so it becomes 3 upon Y is equals to 1 upon 12. After calculating, Y comes out to be 36. That means the women can complete a work in 36 days. If we put the value of Y either in the first equation or in the second equation, we will get the value of X. Like if we put the value of Y in the second equation, it is 1 upon X plus 1 upon 36 is equals to 1 upon 12. So 1 upon X becomes 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 36. We take the LCM as 36, it is 3 minus 1. This is equal to 1 upon X. So 1 upon X will be 2 upon 36. After calculating, we get 1 upon 18, or the value of X becomes 18. That means a man has the efficiency who can complete a work in X days, that means in 18 days. If we look at this solution, then definitely that we have solved it taking two variables. There is one more method which can be applicable. That is, if we finally combine the work and try to take out the whole work, we know that 2 men and 5 women can complete the work in 4 days. To this I can write that the total work is 8 man days plus 20 women days. When I am talking about man days and women days, it means my point is that if in case they all work for 1 day only, then 8 men and 20 women can complete it. So we are multiplying directly by 4. So 2 men and 4 days, that means 8 men days, 5 women and 4 days, that means 20 women days. If we look at the second equation, 1 man and 1 woman can complete it in 12 days, that means it is 12 man days plus 12 women days. And because the work we are talking in the first part and the work we are talking in the second part, that is equal, that means the total work in the first case and the total work in the second case are both equal. If we solve it, it comes out to be 1 man days or 4 man days equals to 8 women days, or 1 man is equals to 2 women. That actually tells that whatever work is done by 1 man, the same work can be done by 2 women. Now, if we look at any of the part, suppose we know that 1 man and 1 woman can complete a work in 12 days. Instead of 1 man, I take 2 women out here. So 2 women and 1 woman, the total combined comes down to be 3 women. So 3 women can complete the work in 12 days. Now, it has become a question of unitary method, a very simple question of unitary method, that 3 women can complete a work in 12 days. So 1 woman will complete the work in 12 into 3, that is 36 days. And as we know that 1 woman can complete a work in 36 days, same way if we convert women into men, then we can find out that in how many days 1 man can do the work. Or we already know that 1 man work equivalent to 2 women. So when 1 woman is completing the work in 36 days, so 1 man definitely will be equal to 2 women which can complete the work in 18 days. So in this way we can directly calculate the question without solving it by the method of efficiency. So you can see that in your schools how you do it, whether this method or this method. If in case you have any problem, you can contact or email us, and we will go to question number 28 then. Thank you.